Introducing ThreadNote, a page that's made a whopping $3,400 with just one promotion. You might have guessed it, it's all about memes. But the real question is, how did ThreadNote achieve this feat, and more importantly, how can you replicate this success? Let's dive in. First things first, pick a niche you're passionate about and stick to it like glue. When setting up your Instagram account, use a simple email ID and username composed solely of alphabets. This adds an air of authenticity. Get creative with your bio and profile picture to make a memorable first impression. While reposting can work, it's a gamble. Imagine seeing the same content repeatedly by many pages. Not a great user experience, right? Don't just blindly follow others. Target active users in your niche by checking for colorful story rings. To get your niche audience, you have to visit your competitor page and click on the followers, and there it is. This ensures you're building a relevant audience. Engage with viral content in your niche by leaving relatable or humorous comments. It's a great way to draw attention to your page. Hide the number of likes on your post to shift the focus to content quality rather than popularity metrics. Success won't happen overnight. Dedicate time to crafting quality content and watch your page grow organically over time.